Hello everyone. Today we will discuss ICT order block trading strategy for crypto and forex. And looking at the importance of this strategy, I will suggest you not to skip any part of the video because you won't get the concept if you keep skipping. Also, personally, I use this strategy for my scalp trades as the win rate is high and the stop loss is so tight that even if the trade goes against you, the loss is as minimum as possible. Also, the structure is clear and visible when it forms on the chart, so you can find it easily. So make sure to get the concept of this strategy and give me your feedback after you use this strategy, okay? Personally, I prefer 3 minutes and 5 minutes chart for scalping using this strategy, and in this video I will be using 5 minutes time frame. First, I will show you the structure that you need to find on the chart, and then I will teach you at which particular points those structures are valid to be traded. So finding those points is more important and even tougher than finding the structure. Here you can see we have got two types of order blocks, bearish order block and bullish order block. First, we will discuss the structure of bearish order block. If you are using 5 minutes time frame, just as we are using right now, you will get a close above the resistance zone. So you can see this line, this is the resistance zone, and a candle on 5 minutes time frame closes above it, just like this candle, this white candle, and then the next immediate candle will close below that up closing candle. Okay, so we got this candle, it closed above the resistance zone, and then the next candle closed below that white candle. Okay, so we need a structure like this. This is called a bearish order block. Same is the case with bullish order block. Okay, we get a candle which closes below the support zone, okay, and then the next candle closes above this candle into the support zone. Okay, so this is a bullish order block. I hope it's clear now. This is bearish order block structure and this is bullish order block structure. Now the question is, we got this order block here, so what will be our entry points? So 50% of our orders will be the open of this up closing candle. Okay, 50% of our orders will be placed here, okay, and the rest of the orders will be placed below the midpoint of this candle, okay, like here. So you can see it went up, okay, orders got filled, and it came down, and now where would be the stop loss? So our stop loss would be above this swing high, okay, like here. So these are our entry points and this will be the stop loss. And for the bullish order block, same happens here. We get 50% of our entry at this point, okay, and the rest of 50% below this midpoint here, and our stop loss will be below this swing low, like this area, or you can use this previous swing low at this area. Okay, now we will discuss the probability areas of bullish and bearish order blocks. So what we do is we draw lines below the swing lows and the swing highs. Here you can see these are the swing lows, so we draw a line here, okay, and we have got another swing low or swing lows here, so you will draw a line here. Okay, so we have got a close below this line, so we will see if we got our desired structure or not. If we cannot see that order block structure here, so we won't enter here. Now we will see this one. You can see this candle closed below this line, and then we got an up closing candle, a retest, and it pumped. So this is our bullish order block structure. So you can see we got a close below these swing lows and then it pumped. Okay, same is the case for bearish order blocks. Okay, we will draw lines from these swing highs here. We will see if we have got our desired structure. See, you cannot see that order block here. Now we will use these swing highs. Okay, so now you can see this candle closed above it, okay, up closing candle, then a candle closed below it, so we got our orders here. It went up, our stop loss is here, and it came straight down. Okay, so this was the bearish order block, and this one is the bullish order block. Now the yesterday order block, you can see we draw line here. Okay, these swing low highs, but here you cannot see an order block. Then we use this swing high. Okay, so here you can see your desired structure, an up closing candle, then the next candle closed down, went up, orders got filled, and straight down.